What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's everybody Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this Intex 2.1 mini speaker, and it's already, the box is opened because after I got it delivered from Flipkart I just opened it to check the product inside if it's okay or no. So that's the box, you can see, but the speaker is very small in size. The box is kind of bigger according to the size. So here on this side you can see the packing description is there: menu units, satellite speakers, audio cable, remote, user manual, and that's the price, 1200. That's the MRP and I got it for 1200. And on this side you can see that's the technical specs. Power output 10 watt, that's for the subwoofer, and 3 watt into 2, that's for the satellite speakers. And speaker size, subwoofer is 3 inch and satellite 2.5 inch, impedance 8 ohms. And the good thing is that this is a mini speaker, but this is not USB powered, it's AC. You can see 110 volt to 265 volt AC powered speaker, so that's a good thing. Let's open the box, and at the top you can see that's a sealed packet, and the aux cable is there, and that's a remote control, and that's a user manual. You can see that's the product, how it looks like. The silver finish at the front, and the main unit at the center. You can see the subwoofer is covered with this silver whatever it is. Anyway, so that's the inside of the box. That's the main unit. You can see that's the model number IT890U from Intex, and it's a complete plastic body. And at the back you can see that's the out for 2 satellite speakers, and that's the input for the audio in, and that's a power cable, AC power cable. And at the front you can see that's the hole for air passing. It's a ported enclosure, and that's the on-off switch, and that's the volume control. That's the USB, and the remote control is there just to control the USB. When you play songs from USB, then you can use the remote control to control it, the volume I guess, and of course the songs. So that's it. And from you can see that's the gap between this body and this silver color cap, that is, which is covering the subwoofer. And at the back there's nothing else. So that's it. And these are the satellites. And there you can see the silver finish at the front, and also the speaker cone, that's also silver finish, and the dust cap is black. So that's it. And there the design, that's not air passing port, that's just a design, and the air passing port is at the back. You can see both the speakers, and that's the 3.5mm jack for the speakers output. That's going to be connected to the back of the main unit. So that's it. Now let's connect this to the power outlet, and let's check the sound of this thing. Alright, so as you can see, they're looking very nice like this, and that's connected to the power outlet, and also here to this mobile. So let's play some songs and let's check the sound. Before that, turn this on. You can see the blue light is there.
In the city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time.
this is connected to the mobile now, and the volume is at the full, but so that's the highest volume you can get from this thing if you connect it to the mobile. But if you connect it to your PC or laptop, it's gonna be much louder than this. So if I talk about the sound is quite a bit good. The highs and the lows are very well balanced, and this is a 3-inch subwoofer. Well, you know, the 3-inch subwoofer is not that good as a subwoofer. For a good subwoofer you need at least a 4-inch subwoofer, and this is a 3-inch subwoofer with a plastic body, but still this thing is making a very good bass according to the size. So let's check again.
Through the dark, stand by, watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know. Father told you let me go.
Alright guys, so that's how the sound is of this mini speaker. I'm pretty impressed with the sound, but if I talk about the price, that MRP was 1200, and I bought this from Flipkart, and I have paid 1200 rupees, and that time I didn't know the MRP of this thing. So after using this thing, and all I can tell you that if you don't want to spend much money on the bigger speakers or anything like that, if you like small speakers, then you can go with this thing for your PC or laptop, and very small in size. You can see you can keep it anywhere on your desktop, or you can keep it beside your laptop. So, but the price is, you can go with this. If the price is below 1000, then you can go with this, but the 1200 is bit of higher for this thing. Well, that's what I think. So that's it. That was unboxing and testing video of this Intex IT 890U Mini 2.1 speakers, and that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.